Garage door. Cable breaks. Cause immediate disruption. When a cable breaks, the door may become lopsided, stuck, or slam shut unexpectedly, posing safety risks and trapping vehicles inside. Common signs of a broken cable. Watch for uneven door movement, loud noises during operation, or a visibly snapped or dangling cable near the tracks. Why this is a serious problem. Broken cables create instability, leading to damaged tracks, rollers, or openers, and increasing the chance of personal injury or property damage. Main causes of cable failure: normal wear, rust from Florida's humid air, or misaligned tracks can all lead to premature cable breakage. What to do immediately? Stop using the garage door, do not attempt DIY fixes, and leave the door in its current position to avoid making the issue worse. Professional repairs are the safest option. Technicians replace both cables, rebalance the door, and test the system while checking for other hidden issues. Prevention. Through maintenance. Regular inspections and lubrication help extend the life of cables and catch problems before they escalate. Know the lifespan and risks. Garage door cables last about 5 to 10 years. Replacing both at once and using quality parts helps avoid repeat failures.